Hey guys! Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make the paper mache. Okay, what is paper mache? Well, paper mache is nothing but a paper clay which is made up of either newspapers, cardboard or tissue papers. So now I will be showing you how to make a teddy bear out of paper mache. Interesting, right? So let's get started. Take a stack of newspapers, cut them into small pieces, soak them overnight in water, drain them after that and make them into a fine paste. Now add the PVA glue into the newspaper paste and mix it well. Now let's start making the teddy bear. Use a tissue paper for the furry texture. This is so cute, isn't it? So yeah, one suggestion from my side is the painting part. If you want, you can use acrylic paints, fabric paints. I have used the oil paint. Avoid using poster paints or any watercolors. This may spoil your entire work. This one I've made a few years back. So yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have anything to tell about this or if you want any suggestions, please don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Thank you.